Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and we have a new version of Firefox. The web browser has released, Mozilla has released Firefox 86, which is the latest version of the web browser. It has a few new features, but first of all, for those that don't really care about features, one of the things that you should know is that it does contain quite a few security fixes. So for the security fixes, just that, it's worth it to update to make sure you stay safe. Lots of high security problems, and I haven't seen any critical, but there's some high and moderate security vulnerabilities in there. So just to stay safe, it's a good idea to update. What it includes. So last month in version 85, last version actually, version 85, they had introduced a protection against super cookies, which are cookies that are more resilient and that can really increase the tracking, basically. And they had done a crackdown to prevent the super cookies from actually being there. Now, in this version, it is the regular cookies that they are actually fixing. So first of all, to know if you have the latest version, just go to the Firefox browser, upper right corner, to go into the hamburger menu, go into Help and About Firefox, and you will actually be sent to version 86.0 as of today, Tuesday, February the 23rd, 2021. So some of the new things that are happening now is something called Total Cookie Protection. What that does is simply limit the cookies to the website that you are visiting. So one of the biggest problems with the website was the fact that you could not control tracking of those cookies. Cookies were often used by other websites, and of course, to track you down and know what are your websites that you visit and what's exactly what you like to view and so on. And of course, they would use that for ads. Now, in the total cookie protection, they actually have concentrated that to only the website you visit, with a few exceptions, because there are websites that sometimes they want you to check out that kind of link together. So what happens is when that happens, you have the ability to use a cookie from another website. So that will not break, to make sure that websites are smooth and work okay. But for the majority of the cookies, the tracking will only be on the website that you visit and will stop there. It's kind of a control of the cookies. So your privacy is a little more, it's more private. Basically, you have less chances of being tracked everywhere. The other little thing that is in here is the video playback. So you have, of course, when you go to the website, a website that has a video, for example, what happens is that website, you might have the ability to, of course, have a playback, because you can actually have the little overlay here. That means that you can see the video, and if you open another, it's called picture-in-picture mode. If you go into another website, you can still continue watching this. Well, now they've added an ability if you want to have several picture-in-picture mode videos. So you could watch 2, 3, 4 videos at the same time, rather than being limited to only one. So that's one thing that you should know that you can use. Apart from that, there's also a few changes. WebGL and canvas drawing, that of course is used on the web, is now going to use the GPU for processing. That means that it should technically be more efficient, and it should also apparently increase the stability of Firefox. So these are some of the new little things that are in here in the Firefox 86 web browser. And don't forget, lots of security updates. So check it out and make sure that you're at the latest version. If you enjoy videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.